How to fix Valorant Error Code Val 57? For this first step, you need to restart your device, close Valorant on your client, restart your device, then launch your client. If it's not working, means come to next step. Search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click it, click properties, and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual, it depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. If it stopped, means you need to start it. Click apply and OK. After completing one more time, right click it and restart it. Close it and come to next step. Open up your client. Click profile icon. Click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click Valorant. Scroll down. Click repair and start repair. Wait for some time because it's actually verifying your game files. Once complete, after move on with next step. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will rectify it. After completing, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. After come to next step, search for command prompt, click run as administrative and type the following text ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash release. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash renew. Click enter. And the next command netscape space winsock space reset. Click enter. And the next command netscape space int space IP space reset. Click enter. And at last exit it. Close it and come to next step. Click settings. Click app settings. Click install app. Scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard. If none of the things are not working, means you need to uninstall the Riot Vanguard and open up the Riot client. It will freshly asking you to reinstall the Riot Vanguard. Freshly reinstall it